Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. We're back into part 7 of this tutorial in 2.2, and we've just got our A button to animate. So we're going to go next. And it says, did you notice that your game automatically keeps track of your highest score? Well, it also tells you that you've lost. Okay. When the time runs out, you'll notice there is a screen that comes up at the end. So let's change that. From the info tab, grab a countdown end, and this is another mechanic that we want. What we want is we want that on countdown end. Let's go and drag that in. Make sure it's not being covered by the bubbles anymore on my background. So on countdown end. So this is a great single level game that we're making. Okay, so I want that in the space. Now open the game category and choose game over, and it says choose and toggle the lose to win. So when you toggle something, there's like little buttons on your iPad. You can move backwards and forwards. We can go that to win. So I wonder what's going to happen next. Let's have a look, see if we are in the right area here. I wonder if our score is going to be kept. I wonder if we can keep our score. That'd be rather good. So click the crosshair, this little cross here icon next to the right of the win button here. Yes. So it's going to give us an animation when we've got the countdown end and the end of the game. So we can go and have a confetti. We could have loads of things here. Look. We can have splash and melt and splatter. I quite like the sound of that splatter. Hopefully it's a little bit of paint or something like that. So choose, it says choose the word confetti. We don't have to. We can choose anything we want really. Let's go and see what it says. Yes, we changed confetti to splash or splatter. We can always change it later. And that's it. See how your game did. So let's go and hit A. So when I've got 10 seconds worth, okay, you've got to put up with the sound of my mouse here. And see what we've got. I've got 50. And so those of you who are already ahead, I'm going to go and put my desktop audio up, and I'd like you to listen to what happens in the next 10 seconds. I've got my audio up, my desktop audio on my computer here, so it should come through your speakers. Hopefully you will have heard that. So I'm going to hit finish, and then we are going to go to the third and final part in our part 2. Right, year, whichever year it is that's using this time. As always, good luck, and I'll see you in the third part.